Hello and welcome from Los Olivos Dam, in the middle of our vineyards of Casas del Bosque here in Casablanca, Chile. We would like to invite you to taste the new wine, Pinot Noir 2020, the last vintage, that we made from the vineyards around this very dam. As you can see, it's easy to open with this screw top. Color of the wine is lovely, a pale onion skin with pinkish hues, very fresh aromas. Strawberries are very typical for Casablanca. The wine is quite complex as it was fermented in oak barrels. Very refreshing acidity and a clean and very pleasant finish. I invite you to taste it.